everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to show you what I ate today. I have my lunch bag ingredients back here for my breakfast, lunch, and a snack or two. And I'm going to turn you around, show you what I got. But as always, please give me a thumbs up if you like my what I ate today's. Leave me a comment below, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that little subscribe button. And the little bell that pops up, you can click that as well to be notified of any upcoming videos. So with that said, let me turn you around and show you what I got. Okay, for breakfast today, I have some berry overnight oats, and that is just my typical, I'll put the link below for the recipe, so if you want to make this one on your own. Super simple, easy. Make a few of these at the beginning of the week, and you're good to go. No worries about what you're going to have for breakfast. All right, so for lunch, I have a Asian chicken salad. So in my bowl, I have lettuce, I have coleslaw mix, some mandarin oranges, tomatoes. I have some 0-point chicken here that I'm going to throw on top, and that Asian sesame dressing. I think it's Kraft, and super good. I put 2 tablespoons of dressing in here, and then I added a little bit of water just to kind of make it, drizzle a little further. All right, so on my way home, my plan is to have this. I'm going to make myself an iced coffee, so I'll have that ready to go. Oh, and on my salad, I'm going to have these wonton strips. I already have 1 point of these already measured out and in my drawer at work. I had the same salad yesterday, so I just went ahead and popped in 2 of those as I was doing that. For snacks today, I'm going to kind of overpack a little bit just in case. Banana, apple, grapes. Not sure I'll have my Built Bar today, but I'm taking along this Built Bar. Today is going to be black cherry chocolate cream, and this one is super good. Reminds me of a chocolate covered cherry. Just super tasty. All right, and then of course I'm going to take my coffee. I'll show you what I'm putting in my coffee today. So for my coffee today, I'm going to go ahead and fill up my trusty travel mug, and I'm going to do 2 pumps of the s'mores, and I'm going to do some of this fat-free coffee mate. I don't even think I use the full tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is 1 SmartPoint on all plans. So super good. I was putting in the sugar-free French vanilla, but my coffee is way too sweet. So I thought I would give this a try. So much better. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up my coffee, and then I'm going to head out the door and go to the office. Okay, so before I forget, 1 SmartPoint for 1 serving, which is 2 tablespoons of this. All plans. 2 SmartPoints, all plans. This one's going to be 0 SmartPoints on purple, 3 SmartPoints on blue and green. The ingredients I have in here, 0 SmartPoints. All the fruit, 0 SmartPoints. 2 SmartPoints of the dressing. 3 SmartPoints for the Built Bar, all plans, 0 SmartPoints for the chicken. I'm trying to remember to keep up with this, guys, so just bear with me, and I will try to remember to get it in the original shot. Otherwise, I'll jump back on and let you know. So that's where we're at so far on points. Okay, so I just unpacked my lunch bag. I didn't have a chance to film. I was so busy at work today. I did get my oatmeal down, and for the purple plan, that would have been 0 SmartPoints. And then I had a 3 SmartPoint salad, so I was able to eat that today. So I ate 3 SmartPoints, and here are the items that I did not eat. I did not have my iced coffee. I did not have my extra fruit. I actually came home with 3 extra clementines, which I will insert a picture here. And that is a picture of myself and Carly and Raven. They are part of the wellness committee with me, where I'm on the board, I guess you call it. I'm one of the volunteers for that committee. So I attend meetings and then help out. I think I've showed clips of me actually doing demonstrations. I did an Instant Pot demo and a meal prep demo last year. So got another one coming up there this year, so we'll see how that goes. I also brought home my Built Bar because I did not have that. So that's where I got the clementines from. was from my meeting today. So, all right, so stay tuned. I'm getting ready to go ahead and start dinner. But I just want to give you a recap of where I was today. So far today, I've had 3 of my 16 SmartPoints. Okay, so for dinner today, we are going to have this turkey breast tenderloin, and I'm just going to season that with some pepper and some rotisserie chicken seasoning by McCormick's. So I'll show you a quick little clip of that once I throw that into my air fryer, but I thought I would try it in my air fryer. I've done pork tenderloins in there before, and they've turned out absolutely amazing. So today we're just going to put this in the air fryer and see how it goes. So I think we're going to have baked potatoes with it too. Probably just going to throw those in the Instant Pot because they'll be super quick. So stay tuned. I'm going to get this going, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, I just want to give you a really quick look at the turkey tenderloin. Look at that. Perfect. I did check the internal temperature. It came out to be 172. On the packaging, it said it should come out to 170, so we are good to go. So I'm just letting that rest for a few minutes, and then I will take you over and show you my potatoes. Okay, so I just pulled the top off of my Instant Pot. I did throw an extra sweet potato in here because I thought that might be good for lunch tomorrow. So here are my potatoes. And anytime I make potatoes, I always make an extra. I don't know, sometimes it's just good to have a leftover. I'm just trying to grab a fork here. So watch this. Ready? How's that? Perfect potatoes. Super excited to have those. So I'm going to go ahead and get the stuff plated up, and then I will show you a picture of my plate. Okay, so here's my plate. I have some turkey tenderloin on here, and then I've got this big old baked potato. I'm going to throw some salt, pepper, and some of this spray butter on it. And then I'm going to sit down with my iPad, watch a little Netflix. I have a glass of ice water behind me. And then I will come back and do a little recap at the end of my evening here. I almost forgot, I made some corn too, so I threw a little bit of corn on my plate, and I thought what I would do is I would try some of this garlic parmesan seasoning on my baked potato. So I'm going to take a little small piece off, sprinkle a little bit on, and see how that goes. So, all right, so I'm going to close out this vlog for today so that I can get it edited and get it up for you tomorrow. So throughout the day, I had used 4 SmartPoints. I'll put a copy of my tracker at the end of the video. And I'm going to have not 1, but 2 snacks today. So I couldn't make up my mind what I wanted. So are you guys ready? I'll also put a picture of the boxes at the end, at the end after my tracker. So I'm going to have an ice cream sandwich for 7 points. And then I'm going to have a sugar-free fudgesicle for 2 points. So 9 points. I really couldn't decide which one I wanted. Now the sugar-free popsicles, you could have 2 for 3 points, or you could have 1 for 2 points. Normally I would just have 2 of these, but I figure since I have both, I would just rather combine the 9 points since I have the points left today and enjoy them both, because I'm telling you, I went back and forth. Do I want 2 fudgesicles or do I want the ice cream sandwich? So, it happens. So I think that's it. I had a really, really good day today. I felt like I stayed on track. I got my activity in. I closed all my rings on my iWatch, which was awesome. And I'm gonna do probably just some floor exercises, some sit-ups or something before I go to bed. Maybe I should do those before I have my ice cream so that I have some motivation to have that ice cream, so I might just do that. So that said, signing off. Have a great day. Hope that you found some ideas of something you'd like to eat, or how you can kind of play with your points on the purple plan. Ice cream, same points on all 3 plans. So with that said, signing off. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.